We've got an antique Singer model 66-1 with red-eye decals. Serial number is G9512666, which dates it to 1922. The machine has been fully serviced, so it's a good working order. It's also been upgraded with a side clamping foot to use all the common Singer low shank feet and attachments. Chrome's pretty good on it. Decals are pretty good, but there's wear along here, some crackling in the deck. There's a hub on the end, or a boss, for connecting a motor or hand crank. This is set up as a treadle. The table is not included with the machine. It's for demonstration purposes only. And I've got 6 layers of denim, which have already been stitched once for photo in the ad. And basically just going to show you how well it stitches. Doing a full speed stitch test. It's the only way to tell if it's going to break stitches or skip. Yeah, these threads are a little hard to see. Maybe you'll see it better on the back. You can see all stitches are good. There's no skipped stitches. There you have it.